Hello YouTube, Computer Good 1416 here, and welcome to this mystery eBay unboxing. Just thought it'd be something a little different to do an unboxing of something older for once. So, yes, if you're watching this months after now, then you probably already know what it is based on the description, but if you're watching this new, then I'm going to keep it a mystery for now. But I'll give one hint, which is that it is something video game related, and it's something that will become not the oldest, but one of the oldest items in my collection. Currently, the oldest item I have in my collection is a Atari 2600 from 1977. So this will be, I believe, the second oldest thing in my collection. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. But anyway, yep, so let's get it unboxed. Try not to show my address information there. Just going to cut it along the side here. Now I got cardboard all over my bed. And here we go. Actually, it's smaller than I thought it would be, but I mean, I guess it's not surprising that it's small given that it is a Nintendo Game & Watch. That's right, this was Nintendo's original line of handhelds before the Game Boy ever came out. The first one was released in 1980. This one here, Donkey Kong Jr., was released in 1983. So, yep, making it, I believe, the second oldest thing in my collection. Yeah, really, really cool. It's, like I said, I don't know why I pictured these being bigger, I guess because when you see them online, they look bigger, but, it does make sense, though, because that's kind of the point of this. It's supposed to be a watch as well as a game, so it's really, really cool. Now, I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, the screen that is, but as you can see, it's already got batteries in it. The owner said it was new. They put new batteries in here, and yeah, as you can see the game running there. These games don't have an off button per se, because they're meant to be kind of like an alarm as well as a game. But you know, luckily with this one it doesn't have sound. I know some of them, even when they're in standby, they make sound. Luckily this one does not. But yeah, it's like I said, look at it in person. Let me take it off screen so I can appreciate it even more. Yeah. Really, really neat little piece of history. Yeah, I kind of got interested in these after the new release, the Super Mario Brothers variant came out. I picked one up just to keep sealed as a collector's item. And I don't know, it just got me interested in buying these. They have gotten really expensive, unfortunately. I think this one cost me like $80. But, you know, they are still doable. I mean, if you have the money, they are still buyable. Right, you know, but who knows how long they'll be even that cheap. So, you know, may want to, you know, I may want to start picking up a few of these here and there just before they get too rare. Yeah, just kind of little neat collector's items, you know, just something you can put on your shelf and so that you have. It's got a little stand here, as you can see. So you can, I don't know if anyone actually used this as an alarm back in the day, but I guess you could do that. I see there's the batteries in there, they fell out, little coin cell batteries. Yeah, I just thought, I know this was a little random unboxing, but just thought I'd kind of show you guys this. Let's go ahead and get a game started. So you got Game A, Game B, and time. Let's see, the time is 2:36. That started the game there. I didn't want to do that. How do I... So I'll take the batteries out. I'm trying to figure out how to set the time. May not matter if I set the time or not, because I'm probably going to take the batteries out of it when I'm not using it, just because I do not want battery corrosion. So, let's see. Let's just start a game here, I guess. Yeah, it's just like the original Donkey Kong Jr., just in dot matrix form, I guess you could, or LCD, I guess, is the term for it. Yeah, you know, when you think of LCD games, you know, people a lot of times would think of those cheap, you know, Tiger Electronics games from the 90s, but actually, these are actually not cheap feeling at all. You can tell that, you know, in an era before Game Boy and stuff like that, you can tell they really made use of the technology. So, like, you can tell that for being an LCD game, these are actually pretty sophisticated. So, not getting a cheap vibe at all. died there apparently. I'm just trying to play this on camera, so I'm not doing as well. But yeah, no, it's yeah. Like I said, little neat. If you're into Nintendo collecting like I am, just and you have the money for these, and they're definitely little cool collector's items. So I think I'm gonna try to get a hold of a few more here and there before they hopefully don't get too rare. But yeah, no, just thought I'd show that off real quick. Thought you guys might be interested, and yep, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.